Hey guys, Motorcar Nut here, and today we're going to be replacing or removing a rear tail light on a 2011 to 2017 BMW X3. If you want to replace the bulb or if you want to replace the tail light itself, this video is for you. It's kind of fast and easy to do. All you're going to need is some kind of a non-marring little plastic tool and a wrench or socket for 10 millimeter. What the first thing you're going to do, all right, you're going to put under the trim piece and you're going to push up. Okay, I loosened it already, but you're going to push up so it goes up a little bit and then comes out. And so when you put it back in, you put it in and then you push it down. Okay, because there's little tabs here that go into the little slots. Like right here. I'll put a little light. You see that? It goes in and then down. All right, you don't want to like just pry it out and you'll break it. And there you got your two 10 millimeters. You take them off and then you just pull it straight out and there's going to be the little wiring harness there, and I'll show you that in a minute. Now, once they're off, like I say, just push it straight out. Okay, then you're going to see the little plug here. I already loosened it. There's a little tab right here. You push this tab in. Like that, you push it in and you pop it out. All right, and then you can do whatever you want with that. Replace the bulbs in there. I'll show you how to do that too. And that's it. I'm going to be taking off the bumper, so if you want to watch that video, you can look out for that video. It's going to be how to remove the rear bumper. So now you want to take the bulbs out. There's a little tab here. You get a little screwdriver. You push the tab up. Let me show you. You see that tab right there? You push that out. And over here's another tab. You just push it away. They're plastic, so be careful you don't break it. And it'll come out, and there's your bulbs. Okay? You replace them. And the reversal of removal. You put it back in. You clip it in, and you put it back in. And that's how you do it. All right, guys, Motorcar Nut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. Appreciate all the comments and the feedback. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching my channel.